In this video, you will see how to add border in OnlyOffice to the page like this. It's very easy. Note that OnlyOffice doesn't have option to add page border directly. So the trick is, first you need to click here on the Insert tab. Then go to Shape and select the option Rectangle. Now draw a rectangle. Right click on the rectangle and cut the rectangle. Double click inside the header area to activate the header. Right click and paste the rectangle shape. Now click on the rectangle. You will see here this pane. You have to select the option white to remove the color from the rectangle. Under the line, you can select the thickness of the border, for example 3 points, and select the page border color black. Now you will need to position this. You can place the rectangle inside the header and then resize it like this inside the header and footer. Once you resize the rectangle, you need to go here to the wrapping text option. Click on the drop down and select the option behind text. Now press escape key on your keyboard and then double click here inside this area. So as you can see, we have a border around a page in OnlyOffice and it looks little faded. However, when you see the print preview, you can see that the border line is very clear. The faded border just appears inside the computer, but when you print this paper, the border will appear as it should. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn OnlyOffice quickly. See you again in the next one.